the car lifted with a jack stand, and now we don't need to take the wheel off to remove these rear shocks. Okay, so first remove the cover from the rear. Then you're gonna need your long socket, 14mm, and a 14mm wrench. Open end. You hold one, remove the other. All right, and you remove the other. Okay. Cut. Now, with the car lifted, you use a 14mm wrench and a 14mm short socket. You use a short socket on this side and the wrench on this side to hold it. Now, you take these bolts off. I like to put them together so I don't lose them. And this one you can just swing right out and remove. Okay. So here we have the new stir we're going to replace. It comes with new bushings. Okay. So make sure you put that bottom bushing in first. Okay. And you just slide it in here into that hole on top. Sit it right there. Put your bolt right in. Now tighten. Now using a jack, you want to lift it right where the spring is, bringing it up over here. See that? Okay. Then you place the other bushing. Okay. And using the 14mm socket. And there you go.